Hello friends, good day to you all wherever you might be right now across the world. I'm very happy to have you back here today. This is Lasogenic Talk. I welcome you wherever you might be. It's a pleasure, it's a beautiful day, beautiful morning in this part of the world. Alright, this is Lasogenic Talk. This channel is created for me to share with you my ideas on online investment platform so that I can share with you some ways whereby I'll be making money and to shed more light on some online investment platforms for you. So here I review online investment platform and I also do explainer video on some of them as well. Okay, if you are new on this channel or you are yet to subscribe to this channel, I will urge you to do so now so that you can be continually aware whenever I upload new video. For that reason, hit the subscription button now and turn on the notification bell to all notification for you to be aware of my next upload. And if you have watched any of the content here and you found it to be very meaningful, useful and helpful, then please do not hesitate to like and share with your friends and family. Give it the widest publicity that you think it deserves. All right, so in today's video I'm going to share with you some way whereby you can earn more TRON coin for yourself. TRON coin, TRX coin. So that is what I have to share with you in this video. But before I go into that, I would like you to know that this channel is mainly for financial education and not for financial advice. For that reason, you can also do your own personal research to know if any of the content that I shared here is what you are ready to do, so that you should be responsible for your action. Actually, I'm not trying to scare you, but I need to tell you the truth about online investment platform. You just need to do your own personal findings to know if it's what you can afford. And my warning to you is that do not invest more than what you can afford, and don't put your money for basic needs into any online investment platform. So that is the reason why I used to advise you to diversify your investment. Don't put all your money into one investment, be it physical business or online business. All right, so quickly, let me take you to the platform that I have to share with you today. The name of the platform is Dmatrx. But quickly, let us check the price of TRX in the coin market cap now. Excuse me. So let's check the price of TRX in the coin market cap. So coin market cap gives the details of the first 100 coin in circulation. All right, so right now this is coin market cap, and the price of TRX, as you can see here, the price of TRX is 0.07, that is 7 cents. 7 cents, approximately 8 cents now, because this is 0.078, so this is 7 cents. So that is the price of TRX for now. So let's do some calculation. What if you have a platform whereby you can earn like 100 TRX on daily basis? Let's say you are earning 100 TRX on daily basis, and in 30 days, that is times 30, you are having 3,000 TRX. 3,000 TRX. And let's say the price of TRX is now 8 cents multiplied by times 0.8. That is $2,400 for yourself. $2,400 in a period of a month. This is what you can really achieve in this platform that I'm sharing with you today, that is called Dmatrx. So I opened this particular account for the purpose of this video. So this is my other account that I opened for the purpose of this video, just to show you how it goes. So on registering, you'll be given 10,000 TRX. As you can see in this my newly opened account, you'll be given 10,000 TRX whenever you sign up to this platform. And when you sign up, there are two ways whereby you can make money in TRX, in Dmatrx. The first one is by basic mining. The second one is by financial is for the financial account. So when you deposit, is either you deposit into the basic account or into the financial account. So for the basic account, you will be mining TRX on daily basis, and for the financial account, you can be getting up to 10% of your deposited TRX on daily basis. So let's just read some of the information in the help here. So how to get the 1,000. When do I receive the deposit percentage every day? So answer: to receive profits at 00 Singapore time, please add Singapore time to the phone clock to view. So how to get the 10,000 TRX presented by the platform? 10,000 TRX is an investment fund donated by the company. You need to enable the withdrawal function to start mining, and you need to recharge at least 5 TRX to activate it. Okay, let's go to number 3. Can I increase my deposits multiple times? Of course, for example, deposit 1,000 TRX, daily income is 100 TRX. So 1,000 TRX daily income is 100 TRX. So when you deposit 1,000 TRX in a financial investment, then financial account rather, you'll be getting 100 TRX on daily basis. So the more you deposit, the more you receive as your profit on daily basis. For example, recharge 2,000 TRX to the basic accounts starting from 00 Singapore time. The next day, the daily income is 300 TRX. 300 TRX. So this is for the mining, for the basic account, and for the financial account, you'll be getting 100. excuse me, 100 piece. 10% on your deposited TRX on daily basis, and for that of the basic account, you'll be getting 10% also. You'll be getting 10% also from the basic accounts. Okay, let me read again. For example, recharge 200 TRX to the basic accounts starting from 00 Singapore time. The next day, the daily income is 300 TRX. Accumulative recharge 3,000. That is 10% is 300 TRX. So by analogy, applicable to any recharge, after additional recharge, the daily income will naturally increase accordingly. So what is basic account? The basic wallet is because we have our own mine, and you have invested in our mining machine, and we will give you a part of the proceeds so you can obtain long-term returns. What is a promotional account? Answer: the promotional account investment recharge is to buy and participate in TRX and choose the product you want to buy. After the contract expires, you can withdraw the principal and profit at the same time. Even if the top-up investment account has not been purchased, you can directly withdraw all the top-up funds. Alright, so how to deposit? Select the deposit button on the home page and pay the desired amount to the address using your virtual currency wallet. Support TRX and USDT of TRON. After the deposit is successful, it is expected to arrive within 1 to 3 minutes. If not, you just need to refresh the deposit page again. Alright, can I make money without depositing? Yes, you can. You can use your invite link to grow your own team. So even if you are not depositing, you can still invite your friends, your loved ones to join this, and they can make money. By making money, you too can make money through them, provided you have the network. So you can earn a lot of TRON coin with this platform. So this is an opportunity for you to mine TRX and to invest in TRX. All right, so if you have any question, you can comment through the comment box of this video, or you can chat me up on WhatsApp or through my email. I'm going to reply your messages as soon as possible. And also don't forget to join our Telegram channel, as I will be posting some other financial educational video like this there on regular basis. This is where I'm going to stop for today. If you want to start this DMA TRX, just check the description box of this video for the registration link, so that you can get registered and start mining your TRX and start making money in cryptocurrency as from today. All right, this is where I'm going to stop for today. Thanks so much for watching this video. Thanks so much for your time, and God bless you. Meet me in the next video. Until then, don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you are yet to do that. Click on the notification bell, share with your friends and family, and give me a thumbs up, that is, give me a like. Have a wonderful day ahead, and bye bye. I love you all.